Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin and today you guys are gonna watch a IKEA vlog. Okay, so this is my first ever vlog. So please don't expect it to be like the best video. So please excuse me if I've done any mistakes here. So let's get started. One more important thing that I did tell you guys, I had a bad shopping experience, so I'm gonna share everything about it, but you'll have to watch the video till the end. Now I am near the entrance right now, and I was quite early on that day. So 9:30 is when the gate opens, but the shops actually open only by 10 o'clock. So I just got done with all the security check here, and right now I'm just going to level 1. So there are two floors here. One is the ground floor and the other one is the level 1. So right now I am going to level 1. Okay, so like I told you guys, I was early here, so I thought first let me go check, the board so that I exactly know where I want to go. Last time when I came here, I was like all blank because it's a huge store, guys, like literally huge store. First thing, please don't wear any heels and go. Make sure you wear your sneakers, and yeah, be ready for a long, long walk. Okay, so I thought since the shops were closed until 10 a.m. and I still had 30 minutes because I reached here by 9:30, I thought I'll just go eat something. Like you guys can see, the place is very hygienic and clean. Everything was very aesthetic and nice. Okay, so this is what we got, and guys, if you register and come, then you get free coffee. So register करके आना. Okay, so like I told you guys that the cafeteria is open from 9:30 to a.m. to 9:30 p.m. I am just checking out few places here, so I'm just gonna quickly add some slides here, like whatever I am seeing, so you guys can also look at it. So like I told you guys, I had, like, specific things in mind. One of that was chest of drawers. I was like literally waiting for this from years, and then finally I was like, yeah, now I'm gonna buy it. So first thing that I had in mind was like a 9,000 rupees one. This is actually 16,000, black in color. Six chest of drawers is what you get, and right below it there's a mini one, like a medium one, which is of 9,000, but the quality of this is not good. So I thought I'll pick up this beautiful white color chest of drawer. So yeah, after this I'm just gonna go to the ground floor and meet you guys near the billing counter. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna start recording near the billing counter. So I'm done with my shopping. Now I'll meet you guys at home. And this is like literally 80 kgs. So I'm gonna see you guys at home. Hi guys, so it's been a while that I am back from IKEA. First thing, I'll show you all the products that I got. I had like specific things on mind that what exactly I want to purchase. So let's get started. So the first thing that I got was this beautiful vase. This was for I think 99 rupees. All the products, I'll just leave the price on the screen so that you guys can check. So yeah, this is for 99 rupees, I believe. So this is what it looks like. With that I got three set of flowers so that I can just put it like this inside it. So each of these flowers are for 100 rupees. And then I got these small containers so that I can just put in my rings, earrings and all of that. I got a set of 5 of these. Each was 19 rupees, and yeah, it is definitely worth, and the quality is also very nice. Color options, I think there's just two color options. One is white, the other one was somewhere around a beigeish color or something like that. And then I just got another container, which is like a medium sized container like this, for me to put in my foundations, lipsticks and all of that. The quality of this is also not bad. It's steady and nice. So yeah, if you are planning to buy, you can buy this also. And if I'm not wrong, this was for 50 rupees each, and I got 10 of these to keep it in my drawer. In the same category, I picked up a big size of this is what it looks like. This is quite big in size, so I can put in all my hair accessories, extensions, everything in this. And the quality of this is actually very nice. And this retails for I think 200 rupees. In this you have a lot of color options. You can pick whatever is appropriate for you. Purchase this toolkit from IKEA now. Now here I ended up doing one goof up actually. The price of this toolkit on the app is 2000 rupees, but then there are a lot of varieties in this, starting from 1000, 2000, 4000 rupees one. So first I actually picked up the 4000 rupees one, and then later I just got to know it was 4000. So immediately I went in and I just gave them the product, and they said the refund will be as usual within 2 to 7 days, but then I got my refund right the next day. Okay, so finally let's talk about what actually went wrong. So you guys know that I wanted to buy these beautiful white color chest of drawer so that I could keep it in my background. I'm literally bored of this black background, and I literally wanted some change in my background. So yeah, I purchased everything. I come home, I open the box, I see that there were three boxes which had brown color pieces in it, and one box which had white color piece in it, and I was so disappointed when I saw that. Now, all right, I just call the customer care. I tell them that this is what happened. I actually ordered a white one and I ended up receiving two different colors. Not even if it is just brown, then I would be fine with it. But then they just ended up sending me three brown and one piece of white. I don't know why. Now they told me that, ma'am, just go to the website, fill in the form, and we will get back to you with a resolution after 24 hours, and we'll see what we can do about it. All right. And then I was like, okay, now I don't have the patience for it. I can't, wait for all the like everything to just go back and they pick up the product and they deliver me a new one. So I wasn't ready for that. Anyway, so we decided that we'll just fix the part any which ways and we'll see what the outcome is gonna be, and we'll just work out something. I thought I'll just buy a sticker or something and then I'll fix it. Now, when we were fixing again, things went wrong. That was, you see, for a chest of drawer, you need right, left piece, right? But then for three boxes, I mean for the three chest of drawers, they just gave me only the right pieces, and that was again very difficult for us to fix it. Now somehow I have just fixed it, and I am not planning on to return it, obviously, because it took like literally the entire day for us to put all the pieces together. Now you guys have to just see and tell me, what do you guys think about it? Okay, so guys, one thing I wanted to tell here was actually on the box there is a sticker which says it is brown or white. But since it was my first time, I just completely, like depended on them and thought they would say give me the right one. So please do check your products before you guys, like buy it, and be very sure of how many boxes to get, what color it is specifically, and don't do the mistake that I did. Okay guys, first thing, it's raining, so please ignore the background. Now this is exactly what my chest of drawer looks like. It is white and brown in color. Now speaking about the quality and everything, it is decent quality, you guys. I wouldn't say that it's like the best, but the quality is pretty decent. And for the top part here, I've just added couple of things like my skincare, the books I read, some decorative items. Now here I've just arranged a few things. Now guys, don't judge me, I haven't organized anything yet. I have to. I've just put things everywhere and I will slowly start organizing everything. Even the boxes that I got here, containers, I mean, I got it in white. You guys know why I got it in white, obviously, right? Overall, the quality of this is not bad, you guys. It is actually pretty nice. I won't say the quality is bad at all. In fact, I loved all the other products like this. I loved everything else that I got, but the only color is the concern. It's fine. I have few ideas on my mind. I am gonna work it through. So if I do, then I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna end my vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. And that's it, you guys. If you did like this vlog, then do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.